Hey Geometry, this video is the area of a parallelogram. So, a parallelogram, we must remember, is a quadrilateral with two pairs of parallel sides. The formula for the area of a parallelogram is just base times height, b times h. We must remember that a base and its height must be perpendicular to each other. They must meet at a 90-degree angle. So, there are many ways to draw in a height in a parallelogram. The first thing you have to do is determine what base you're going to use. So, if I use this side right here as a base, I must draw in a height that is perpendicular to that base. And there are many places to put it. One way that will help you is to use a straight edge. Right here is a 90-degree angle. But I can draw that that straight edge along the base, and I can use it to help me put in a height. So here's one option. I can move this, and I've got to get it to the other side. So there is an example of a height. Alright, I can move this over, and I can help it, and I can draw it in here. There are many places to put a height. I can put it right here. It just has to be perpendicular. Another option, sometimes you'll see the height outside of the parallelogram. If you extend the side and drive your straight edge out along that extended side, you can put a height right here. And it looks like this. So there's lots of different places in a parallelogram that you can put in a height. Okay, so again, the formula is base times height. So if we do an easy example, if this base is, say, equal to 12, and we'll say our height is equal to 5, then we just go ahead and say 12 times 5. Which is equal to 60, and it's always units squared. One other thing to be aware of is you can use any side of the parallelogram for the base. For an example, I could use this side here as a base. Okay? And then you just have to put in your height perpendicular to that. So you could have a height here. Alright? You could have a height here. And you could extend this side, and you could put in the height outside of the parallelogram. So, whatever side you use for the base, the height must be perpendicular to it. Okay, there you go, area of a parallelogram.